How to add music to WhatsApp status. So let's get started. So for that, first of all, we will edit our picture with the help of CapCut and add music over there. After that, we will export that picture with music and then add it to WhatsApp status. So first of all, open up the CapCut in your mobile device. Then tap on New Project. From here, you have to select the photo or video that you would like to add in your CapCut. Now, once you have your photo, now to add music, tap on this Add Audio option from your timeline. From here, you can choose the one from your device as well. So tap on Sound, and here you will get few recommended music. If you want to upload it from your device, then tap on this File option. If you have extracted any audio from video, you will have that here, or tap on Device, and you will be load up with the music from your device. Now you can choose any music that you would like to add. Now once the music is added, you can crop this music to the size of your picture as well, or else you can expand this picture from your timeline, and then you can simply crop this music, then delete the remaining part. Now once you have this picture with this music right here, what you can do is export this picture, and this picture will be automatically saved to your gallery, and from that gallery you can simply upload that to WhatsApp status. Now once it's done, tap on Done from the top right corner. Now go back and launch the WhatsApp application from your mobile device. From here, tap on Updates from the menu bar at the bottom of this interface, and then tap on My Status. Now open up Gallery in your device, and there you'll find the photo that you have recently added music with the help of CapCut. So here it is, and then you can simply tap on this send icon, and then this will be posted to your WhatsApp status. So that's the way to add a music to your WhatsApp status, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.